Hey friends, if you wish to fix USB composite device driver error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to update the drivers. Which drivers? Let me show you. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Scroll down to the USB serial bus controller drivers. Right click on the USB composite device driver and then search automatically for drivers to update it. Do it for all the composite drivers. Now the next one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.